Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Manimanthan Konda. I'm back with another exciting video. Now, let's go to the video. It is related to science experiment. It's trick bottle. Now, for that, however, you'll need a water bottle to trick your friends. Now let's see how that normal bottle becomes trick bottle. Let's go. So, for this experiment, we will be needing a plate, a bottle, and a needle. So, firstly, make holes in four sides of this. Now, let's make them. So, now I have made holes in four sides of this bottle. Now, we have made the magic. Now, how does this magic work? Let's see. Firstly, let's open the bottle. Oh my god. Oh no. Water is falling now. Oh no, stop it. Half the bottle has dumped. Oh my god. How can we do it again? Now I have made holes in the four sides of this bottle. Now, how does this magic work? Just open this. You can see the four fountains falling from the four sides. Water falls from the four sides from where you have made the holes. But when I've closed the cap, it doesn't move. Why? See, this bottle contains a volume, right? Air occupies some space, like you can see from this line to the cap. Air occupies that space. So, air is sufficient by that space. But if you open the cap, another force of air from the external atmosphere comes into this and puts pressure on this. As there is some holes in the bottle, the water tries to escape it from there. So that's the reason why the water is falling here. If you like this prank science experiment, make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel Manimanthan Konda. Bye. See this experiment again. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a good day.